Hey everyone, got another song for you here today. This one is called "Every Bird Has a Nest." It's kind of me thinking back to my childhood in the big old blue house in Edmonds, and what a perfect day was like around the holidays, Christmas or Ayyam-i-Ha, when family would come over and we'd feel snug and just a perfect day from start to last. So this is "Every Bird Has a Nest." The snow is gently falling, the house is warm below, the children's beds are stirring, they hear the call of snow. Cousins are soon arriving, with tales and toys in tow. The grown-ups make their greetings, the children hide below. The sun is slowly melting, the castle's on the ground. The children race to save 'em, mother can finally sit down. The chocolate's slowly melting, the milk is bubbling near. Mother calls the children, come drink your fill, my dears. Come drink your fill, my dears. It's a beautiful day for song and laughter. What a wonderful time to rest. Everyone finds something thereafter. Tonight every bird has a nest. Every bird has a nest. The food is on the table, the children race right in. Father reads the prayer book, mother says begin. The fire dances yellow, the old ones warm their feet. Father tells a story, the children fall asleep. The children fall asleep. It's a beautiful day for song and laughter. What a wonderful time to rest. Everyone finds something thereafter. Tonight every bird has a nest. Every bird has a nest. the snow is gently falling, the house is warm below. One bed is overflowing, all the family are lined in a row. Peter dreams of sailing, Mary wears a crown. Father sees a long-lost friend, Mother's sleep is sound. Mother's sleep is sound. It's a beautiful day for song and laughter. What a wonderful time to rest. Everyone finds something thereafter. Tonight every bird has a nest. Every bird has a nest.